Hi everyone, my name is Edmund Hall from Acer Malaysia. I'm the product manager for Acer Pure Cool. So this is a 2-in-1 air circulator fan and air purifier products that we have here. Today I'm going to teach you how to clean this Acer Pure Cool 2-in-1 air purifier and fan function. First of all, you got to prepare a vacuum cleaner, a cloth, and last, a screwdriver, which is the Phillips head. Before we start cleaning, first thing, of course, you have to turn off the fan and the air purifier. The best is to unplug your plug point. So first thing you gotta do, we're gonna clean up the entire air purifier with the vacuum cleaner. Clean up all the mesh. After you have vacuum entirely cleaned up on that, it's time to clean the grill and the internal fan blade. We clean the fan blade. Make sure you turn on the fan blade and let it face up at 90 degrees facing above. And you can see a screwdriver hole here. Get your screwdriver and unscrew it. Take off the grill. So when you have unlocked, get a wet cloth and clean the internal fan blade and also inside of the grill. After you have installed it back, turn to the clockwise and tilt your fan up back again to screw back the grill. Okay, that's all for the cleaning part, vacuum, and also the fan blade. So the last part will be on the filter. Actually, the filter, you cannot use any wet cloth to touch it. So let me teach you how to dismantle the filter. Get a dry cloth, place on your table or the floor to make sure there's no scratches on your Acer Pure air purifier. To unlock it, you have to turn to your right or anti-clockwise by turning the knob here. You can just pull out your air filter. You may take out your AG Plus filter, place it on the floor or on the table, and you start to vacuum your AG Plus. That's how you do it. Remember, do not wet the filter and do not wet your AG Plus. If you have wet your AG Plus or your filter, the entire filter you have to throw away and you have to buy a new one already. Okay? So now after you have vacuumed and cleaned your filter already, so let's install it back. Look for the arrow, point it to each other and the unlock icon, and you push to your clockwise. That's all, just 3 steps. Thank you very much for watching.